Suppose I told you there's a way to have a private tutor for any subject, available 24/7 for free, and they never get tired of your questions. And what if I told you that tutor is sitting right in front of you right now? It's AI, and you're about to get my 5 best AI power prompts that will make you smarter immediately. Hey there, smart people. Your favorite Uncle Matt back with you. For those of you who are new here, for more than 4 decades now, I've been teaching students of every age how to learn faster and remember more, from grade school to grad school. And these days, especially adult learners. Right now, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI tools like ChatGPT to learn anything quicker, easier, and with less frustration. And here's the thing, most people use AI like it's Google. They type a random question, get a random answer, and move on. That's like asking Einstein one question and then walking away before he can really explain it. I'm going to start with basic prompts to give you the idea, and then you'll get a pro tip that'll really maximize your results. If you stick with me for the next few minutes, you'll walk away with 5 power prompts that'll turn AI into your personal coach. Prompt number 1, explain it to me like I'm in 2nd grade. This is the ultimate clarity button. You might think you understand a topic until you try to explain it simply. With this power prompt, AI will break complex ideas into small bite-sized chunks, often using analogies and examples you can picture in your head. For example, explain photosynthesis to me like I'm 8 years old. You'll get, plants eat sunlight like you eat breakfast. They mix it with water and air to make food for themselves. Suddenly, the big, scary word is no longer scary. Now for the pro tip. Ask, now explain it to me like I'm in college, to see the next level. You'll bridge the gap between simple and advanced. Prompt number 2, create a step-by-step plan to master a particular skill within a specific time frame. Let's say you want to master geometry in the next 3 weeks, or learn how to play piano in 30 days. This is where most learners fail. No plan, no progress. AI can map the exact route from clueless beginner to confident expert with clear steps and realistic milestones. For example, create a step-by-step plan to master public speaking in 3 months. You'll get a week-by-week schedule, exercises, and even suggested practice topics. Pro tip, follow up with, make it more challenging, or adjust it for only 15 minutes a day to tailor it to your life. Prompt number 3, can you quiz me on? And then name the topic. Testing isn't just for school. It's one of the fastest ways to lock information into memory. AI can play the role of quiz master, throwing you multiple choice or true and false or open-ended questions. For example, can you quiz me on the U.S. state capitals? Answer, get immediate feedback, and keep going until you're bulletproof. Pro tip, ask AI to shuffle questions and increase difficulty as you improve. Prompt number 4, identify the top 5 resources to learn and then name the skill or topic. You could spend hours researching the best books, videos, or courses. Or you could have AI give you a curated, quality-checked list in seconds. Example, identify the top 5 resources to learn beginner guitar. Boom, books, websites, apps, no time wasted. Pro tip, ask, why did you choose these? So you understand the value behind each recommendation. Prompt number 5, act as a personal mentor who is an expert in, and then name the skill. This is my favorite. When you tell AI to act as someone, you unlock its ability to answer in character. For example, act as a personal mentor who's a championship chess coach. Teach me like I'm a total beginner. Suddenly you're getting insider tips, advanced strategies, and the kind of coaching you'd normally pay hundreds or thousands for. Pro tip, each step deepens your understanding until you own the knowledge. Remember how I said you could have your own personal tutor anytime you want? The truth is, AI isn't replacing teachers, it's giving you the power to learn exactly what you want at the speed you want. Now you've got the playbook. The next move is yours. Pick one skill or subject. Drop one of these prompts into AI and watch how fast you improve. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Hit that little bell icon to be notified whenever I release a new video. Also, be sure to check out my free memory course at startremembering.com and my book, Future-Proof Your Mind, on Amazon. Links are in the description below. Always remember, the fastest way to get to the top is to get off your bottom. Thanks for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you on my other videos soon.